Street Rod Technologies is an 8-month program based on skills that are needed to restore, to customize, and to build classics, hot rods, motorcycles, anything within that specialty vehicle genre. I think the uniqueness of Street Rod Technologies is the fact that the students learn in a hands-on environment. We do take theory, of course, of all the systems on vehicles. Students are in the shop for the majority of their time, so when they're learning, they're actually learning with hands-on skills.
I brought my 1999 Dodge Ram 2500. I took the bed off the truck, then took the bedside panels off the box of the truck, grinded out all the spot welds, put on the new panels, spot welded.
That's going all right? I brought 1940 Chevy Special Deluxe 4-door. First I pulled it in, pulled the cab off the chassis and started rust repair and building structure for it because it was pretty bad. And then I moved on to building a custom chassis with Mustang 2. Front suspension under it so it handles well, and triangulated 4-link in the rear.
I would get it so it fits like a 50.
What we did was we looked at several programs from the States, and then we added in what we felt would enhance the safety of this industry. Encompasses more of a broader view of the restoration world. What we rely on is Lakeland College's trades department having a depth of knowledge, and with that we were able to create a program that encompasses all that years of training, and we were able to convey that to our students.
I looked for a whole bunch of options in the States there, the Fab School, Hot Rod Institute, and one of the big things was I have to have a visa to go down there. To afford that, the price goes right through the roof, and they do a lot of projects that a lot of the schools in the States don't do. My fabrication skills have gone through the roof, and now I can pretty much build whatever I want, and my confidence has gone way up.
We have 2 car wizards in this gymnasium of a shop. You will learn more than you thought you could learn. Yeah, it's a great course.